Helen, you snuck downstairs.
No.
You better go get Jane.
Please.
Oh, I don't know. You look like you can do that all by yourself.
Please. And that's house. And this is mine. We got purple house. You got a pink bicycle.
No.
I want you to have a purple bicycle and you didn't.
Oh. You got a purple bicycle, Jade. You could ride the I bet you could ride the pink one too.
No. It's
Let's
okay,
see.
that's too small.
Yeah, let's tell. Let's see. Look at Jamie go. Wow. And that's a big bike. That's a big rock bike. How's this bell work?
That's so that's so bicycles don't get in the way. And when they're in the way, we do belts. Like that. A cookie. You drink part of milk. Look, he left the clock going. And he left lots of presents. Can I open my present? Here, Helen.
Let's see who it's for. It has a name on it. Maybe you can see you can tell the ones that have your name on it. Can you see? Oh, that one's for Daddy.
That's yours.
You picked up one for Daddy.
Okay.
Go get another one.
See if you can find one for
See
you.
if you can find one that has your name on it, Jane.
Where's mine?
Oh, I'm sure they're in there.
No, it's mine. Is this one for you?
Does it have your name on it? Let me see. It says, to Jane. C-J-A-N-E. You want help with the ribbons?
Yeah, I can open it.
Let's see. That one's
Me.
to Helen. Open it. Go ahead. Open it.
Open it.
Open it.
Did Dad make this one?
Oh, that's from Santa Claus. Here. This one. I took the ribbon off.
Please.
You want help?
Help.
Okay, you do the rest.
You wrapped it?
Huh? Oh, I may have been one of his little elves. We left him out some wrapping paper too. So if he ran out of paper, he could use some of ours. What is it?
No.
What is it? It's a
It's
computer game.
ribbon.
It's a computer game.
Get out of the
What's on the back? I bet this tells you all the things that you... Ellen got a Barney circus for the computer, yeah.
Everybody?
Barney. You want to do Barney on the
It doesn't
computer?
have any names on it.
Let me see. Now see? This is from Martha in Daddy's office, and it looks like candy. Candy.
This is house too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Home. Look here. Here's a blackboard.